Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a handy platform that helps you find people to help you with various tasks or projects, whether you need assistance within cleaning, moving assembly features, or even running errands. TaskRabbit connects you with skilled individuals who are ready to lend a hand. The process is pretty straightforward. You start by posting a task on TaskRabbit, describing what you need the help with, and when you need it done. Then TaskRabbit match you with available taskers in your area who have the skill and availability to tackle your tasks. So here we have when you log, when I don't think you will have the look like me. So you answer your email and click send me discount. They will send you a discount for your first job. So we are here to earn money, so become a tasker. Earn money your way. Select your area. I think this is just for the US. That's why I will go to the most famous uh, area in New York, and this will be okay. I don't think this is just New York, but okay, I'm in New York City. You can earn to 90, $59 per hour. Help moving, personal assets. I can do everything, but the help moving is good. So let's get started. You will need, okay, you will need your email, name, and let's just act like my number is from the US. Okay, I put too much numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number is not valid. So how to find a number valid? I don't even have apps for this. Something like this. This is how most of the US numbers look like. No, let's be careful. And that's it. Okay, this is driving me crazy. Let's just put something like this, finally. But if they asked for a verification, okay, I will be dead. So you can get the app. No, I mean, the next step is to get the app on the mobile. So you can't work from your computer. That's nice for this website. And one of the great things about TaskRabbit is the convenience. Is the convenience it offers. Instead of spending hours searching for the right person for a job, TaskRabbit does the work for you. You can browse through profiles of taskers, check their reviews and ratings from various customers, and select someone who seems like a good fit. Once you have chosen a tasker, you can discuss the detail of the tasks with them through the platform messaging system. You can talk about specific requirements, agree on a price, and set up schedule that work for both parties. TaskRabbit also provides a secure payment system, so you don't have to worry about handling cash. After the task is complete, no, 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 remove. Okay, after the task is complete, you can rate and review the tasker to help other users make informed decisions. This feedback system helps maintain the level of trust and accountability within the TaskRabbit community. So, like you see here, we have be your own boss, set your own rates, grow your own business. What is TaskRabbit? TaskRabbit connects busy people in need of help with trusted local taskers who can lend a hand with everything from home repairs to errands. As a tasker, you can get paid to do what you love. Okay, I don't think heavy lifting can be loved by anyone. When and where you want, all while saving the day for someone in your city. So, how to get started? We signed up, we built up our profile, we didn't verify our eligibility to tasks. Eligibility. Okay, this is a new word to earn. You can search it or not. Okay, let's search it. Eligibility. The state of having the right to do or obtain. Oh, okay. So next is pay registration fees. Oh, okay. Okay, this is something we didn't pay attention to it. In applicable cities, we charge $25 registration fees that helps us provide the best service to you. Wow. Set your schedule and work areas, start setting job. I love TaskRabbit. I was able to get out of debts, tackle bills, provide for my families, and still have enough room to save for future goals. How? How? Okay. So overall, TaskRabbit is a useful service that connects you to with the reliable individuals who can assist you with various tasks. It saves you time and effort by taking care of the task finding process, and it offers a convenient platform for communication and payments. Whether you need help with everyday chores or more specialized projects, TaskRabbits can be available resource for you. So this is only available in the US and Canada and the Dutch area. And people there can work on it, can earn money. Like we see, they give us an example of $59 per hours or per job. Okay, I think this is a great amount for lifting or arranging or assembling something. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This will help us a lot.